your scent.
I know I caught yours.
Did that hurt your fist? To make some money. They'll be scraping you off. I'll make you pay. Coming at you. Let's add some fuel to this fight.
Boss, where's he going?
Only boss of me is me.
You want teeth? I want answers.
Wait till Black Mask's assassins get through with you.
What assassin?
Whoever wins is gonna be famous and rich.
At least we know he won't be ugly.
Freeze! Hold it right there! I'm taking you in.
Not tonight.
No such thing as a Batman, huh?